Today I am reviewing the Skytech King 95 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're searching for a powerhouse gaming PC that delivers top-tier performance right out of the box, the Skytech King 95 gaming PC desktop is definitely one to consider. This rig is built to handle the latest AAA games, creative workflows, and heavy multitasking with absolute ease, all while staying cool and running quietly. At the heart of the King 95 is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor. This CPU runs at a solid base clock of 4.7 GHz, and with turbo boost, it can spike up to an impressive 5.2 GHz. That extra clock speed means faster loading times, smoother gameplay, and better performance in demanding applications. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos, this processor delivers consistently powerful performance. The graphics side of things is equally impressive, featuring the AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT graphics card with a generous 16GB of GDDR5 video memory. This GPU is more than capable of running the latest titles at high frame rates on 1440p Quad HD resolution. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty or immersive open-world games like Elden Ring, you can expect ultra settings and a buttery smooth experience, typically hitting well over 60 frames per second. One thing that stands out with the King 95 is its storage solution. It comes equipped with a blazing fast 1TB Gen4 NVMe M.2 SSD. This next-generation SSD technology loads games, software, and files in a flash, up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive. That means less waiting and more playing, whether you're launching massive games or transferring large files. Memory is also generous and future-proof with 32GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 MHz, complete with RGB lighting to give or build some flair. This high-speed RAM not only boosts gaming performance, but also handles heavy multitasking and demanding software without breaking a sweat. Thermal management is another area where the King 95 excels. Instead of the usual air cooling, this PC uses a 360mm ARGB all-in-one liquid CPU cooler. This liquid cooling system keeps the CPU temperatures low even under intense workloads, preventing thermal throttling that could slow down your performance. The ARGB fans not only enhance cooling, but also add an aesthetic glow, perfect for gamers who love a bit of style. Connectivity options cover all bases, including HDMI and DisplayPort outputs for your monitors, plus multiple USB ports ranging from 2.0 to 3.2 Gen 1 for your peripherals. The PC comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, so you're ready to go with the latest features and updates. One more nice touch, Skytech includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse with this desktop, so you can start gaming immediately without needing extra accessories. What's truly impressive about the King 95 is how versatile it is. Whether you're jumping into competitive games like Valorant, Fortnite, or Counter-Strike 2, or diving deep into story-driven RPGs like Baldur's Gate 3 and Dragon Age, this PC handles everything smoothly at detailed 1440p resolution. It's also great for content creators and streamers who need reliable power to handle editing and streaming software simultaneously. To top it off, the entire system is assembled in the USA and backed by a 1-year warranty along with free technical support. This gives you peace of mind knowing that help is available if you ever need it. In summary, the Skytech King 95 gaming PC desktop is a high-performance machine designed for gamers and creators who demand speed, power, and reliability. Its combination of a Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, RX 7800 XT graphics, ultra-fast Gen 4 SSD, and 32GB DDR5 RAM creates a smooth and immersive gaming experience. Add the robust cooling and stylish design, and you get a desktop that looks as good as it performs. If you're ready to step into 2025 with a gaming PC that can easily handle modern games at ultra settings and keep up with your creative projects, the Skytech King 95 is definitely worth your consideration.